Guys, Doug Max here, doing no video on today. We'll be making my avatar look cool, even though it looks like a noob. Cause you guys know I have noobs. So, yep. And now we're gonna go ahead. I actually like that red hoodie that I bought. 5 Robux, I think it was. Got a pants. You use those Pokemon pants. No. How about this one? Yeah, that looks good. Gets new hair. That's I like the red hair. Faces. Oh, we don't have to add a face. No, I will add that. Oh wow, my face is so small. We'll go ahead and pick. We'll use our face for every video. Okay, body packages. We can use the Roblox 2.0. We can go now. It's animation time. Start with the idol. We'll do the ninja idol. Climb the robot. We could do the superhero swim, the jump. I like the stylish jump. Fall. Toy fall. Okay, the run would be ninja. The walk would be toy. So yeah, that's probably it for today. I know it was super fast. Well, oh, our buddy. I forgot the iguana. His name would be Potato Chip. Potato Chip is his name. So his name is Potato Chip. Hopefully you guys like this. It didn't really take that long because, as you know, oh yeah, so talk to you guys later, and I'll show you guys in the game right now. Hold up. My friends are online. I was playing Roblox High School, and that game is not fun. My back hurts. As we load in this game, I'm just gonna give you info that I might do a vlog soon. That'll be coming up soon. I think I'll do a vlog after this video and after it posts. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks. First time my computer's taking that long to load. Usually it doesn't take this long. Someone has a 2,700 bounty. Oh, this server is laggy. All we have to do is make. No, hold up. Go on new server. Okay, new server. Okay, so hopefully this server doesn't take that long. And we'll just wait. Hopefully no one picked up because I can't see anything. Well, I'll just end for the video today. It's only 4 minutes, So peace out, people. Peace.